watch it.
Okay, we're at Bird Ogden. I'm here with Roger. By the way, if you're looking for anything new, you gotta see Roger. He is awesome. Gave me a call as soon as this truck came in. So we're gonna take a look. This is the 2022 redesigned Toyota Tundra.
Now we're gonna go for a ride.
Okay, we're in the brand new 2022 redesigned Toyota Tundra. This is the first drive. Roger's driving first because, you know, that's what you have to do. And we have somebody with us here. Mr. Champion is in the back. He is getting a new Toyota Tundra sometime this month, I think.
Hopefully. I'm getting a 4x2.
Awesome. So,
Moon rock color, and it's, man, I tell you, I love my other Tundra, but I'll take this one in a heartbeat.
pretty nice.
This is gorgeous.
Absolutely. So, first impressions, I don't know if you've had this out on the road at all.
No, this would be the first drive for anybody from this store. I don't know how to first seatbelt real quick.
No, we're technical difficulties.
Yeah, so this will be the first drive for anyone from Bird Ogden Toyota. I specifically waited for you to show up because, of course, I want to have all your followers enjoy it as well as we will, okay?
Absolutely. And a shout out to Bird Ogden, by the way, for letting me come down here and do this. I really do appreciate it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you need a new car or truck, Toyota, or anything else, make sure you give Roger a shout down here. He is awesome.
The steering feels lighter. You know, just the full view, just the way the hood is set up. It's like a shark style, like torpedo, just looking straight forward.
That's one thing I'll be interested in because my Toyota, the previous generation now, always felt easy to drive because of the way it was set up with the hood and everything. So it definitely feels lighter, even as a passenger. And Roger had mentioned it feels lighter to him as the driver. So I'll be curious to see that myself.
As a backseat passenger also, it feels lighter.
Yeah.
It's and so much room.
Yeah, cavernous back there, huh?
My other Tundra, my 2019 Tundra, had just as much room, if not, well, a little bit less. I think this has got more room side by side and a little bit more leg room.
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. Okay, let's take a shot out of the front. I just want to give you a little perspective here. There is the infotainment screen lit up. I know it's probably flashing. We'll see, probably frame rate. But that's what it looks like. And then, of course, the gauge cluster there as we're going down the road. But there's a shot out of the front of the truck. What do you think of it so far?
I love the fact that it doesn't feel, like I said earlier, heavy.
Yeah.
Just driving and maneuvering it doesn't really feel like a drag. I feel like right now I really want to give it some throttle to see how it feels. Because overall, that's what everyone wants to know.
You got it.
The torque and the horsepower. I'm giving some throttle right now.
All right, we're gonna punch it. Get ready. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I heard tire squeal. Tire squeal from a roll in a Tundra? What? Are you kidding me?
Mine doesn't do that.
No, mine doesn't do that either.
That was
Whoa.
It squealed the tires at 30 miles an hour.
Wow.
With traction on.
Yeah.
What traction?
Yeah, all you did was switch it to sport mode, right?
Switch it to sport
Oh
mode.
my God. Now that is awesome. Okay, I am in the cockpit now. First time ever driving the new 2022 Toyota Tundra. Let's give you heard while Roger was driving there, by the way, I just have to address that again. Squealed the tires from a roll in a regular Tundra? No way. Anyway, I'm not gonna do that because, you know, then he'd make me buy it. But let's, we're gonna get on the freeway. First impressions, it does feel lighter. It's smooth as silk. This is a truck, right?
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
geez. All right, we're on the entrance ramp. I will give it a little gas. I mean, you know, as soon as I can. Right now I'm behind a Tacoma. My Tacoma's probably jealous. It's sitting back at the lot right now going, what the heck, man? Okay. Fortunately, Roger and I are about the same height, so I didn't even have to adjust the seat.
I'm putting it back to you on normal mode right now, so you can enjoy the normal mode for now.
Okay.
And once you feel a little bit more comfortable, we'll put it back in sport. You can see the different ride difference between both.
Okay.
Again, it smoked the tires with traction control on.
From a roll. From a roll. We weren't just sitting still. I mean,
If we were sitting still, it'd probably squeal a whole lot better.
oh, probably in this, yeah.
That's going to be very
Smoke
impressive.
them.
Okay, we're cruising along at 64. I don't know what the speed limit is. I suppose I can look somewhere. I don't know.
I believe here 64, 65,
65. Okay. Well, I'm gonna slow down a little. Let's see. I don't want to chirp the tires. Well, I mean I do, but I won't. But I do want to give it a little gas. Like say we had to get around somebody or something, and I wanted to nail it a little bit, which we're gonna do right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. Can't say it's overwhelming. We are in drive mode though, as normal drive as opposed to sport. So we'll switch it to sport here in a minute. We'll see the difference. How does it compare to my current Tundra? You know, the big thing for me is the V6 twin turbo versus the naturally aspirated V8 beast that I have now. I will say in normal drive, it's probably comparable, maybe a little bit less in normal drive than my current Toyota Tundra, but not bad at all. I'll take the extra miles per gallon, by the way. So let's get around this old Ford. Ugh, hope it doesn't rub off on us. Okay, there we go. we're traveling at about 70 miles an hour right now. So no big deal. Cruising behind a school bus. Can't do that for long. Let's get away from them. You know something I noticed? Listen to this.
Yeah, I can hear the blinkers.
It has a different sound to the blinkers. It's a dumb little thing, but I like it. It's cool.
I'm hard of hearing.
Oh,
I can hear it.
and you can hear it back there. Gotcha.
This truck overall is impressive.
It's very impressive. I like it. That's a bad thing for me.
The itch is going to be there.
Okay, how do we go to? Let's go to sport mode. I want to see
switch
what that
over.
feels like.
There it
All right,
is.
we're in sport mode. I can already feel it more oomph, more response, and I haven't even done anything. That's just getting on the gas a little bit to get back up to 70. So I am going to slow down just a hair. Again, I'm not looking to squeal, but let me get down to about 60, and now we're going to hit it a little bit. I'm going to ease over it right
Give it some
now.
power. No, don't be scared. Give it some power.
Definitely makes a difference. We didn't squeal at 70, but you know, if I had, this would probably cost a couple million. I'm just saying. So much better. And I would say, let's see, I need to slow down a little bit. I'm going to do it again from an ease. Wow, that's equivalent. I would say that's equivalent to the V8 that I have now. So you are not losing anything. That's my point. You know, my big concern again about going to the V6 twin turbo was the truck being gutless. It's not. It's awesome.
I felt the push.
Yeah. Go back in your seat a little bit.
The
Yeah.
torque. The torque in these trucks are amazing.
Oh yeah.
It was awesome.
And the comfort in this thing, it is so smooth. I'd say that if you were blindfolded, you probably wouldn't know you were in a truck.
Now, here's one thing I wonder. I wonder what the performance change would be with premium fuel.
Oh yeah.
That's the thing. This is only on pump regular fuel. They put 7 gallons from TMAC.
Right.
So I can only imagine what it will feel like with premium, because these direct injection vehicles self-adjust to the different premium fuel.
Gotcha.
So at certain I guess viewers who buy a Tundra will say maybe they have better fuel because some states they only have 91 octane or 93 octane versus us here in Texas 87 is the most common. So imagine what 93 octane would feel on this truck.
Right. Even better. Wow. All right, we haven't done one of the most important tests when you buy a new vehicle, and that, of course, is the horn. There you go. Does it have a manly horn or one of those wimpy Honda horns? I'd call it manly. That's going to be the end of my test drive. I got to tell you, the truck is awesome. All of my concerns and fears about Toyota going to this new design were baseless. It is awesome, has plenty of power. Can't wait to experience the hybrid version. That's going to be even more, I think. But this truck is awesome. They did a fantastic job with it. I love it. There will be one coming to the RobMotive FST channel as soon as things calm down and actually the hybrid is available. We can't get the hybrid yet, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate Roger, of course, letting me come and do this. Again, check him out at Bert Ogden if you're looking for any vehicle, Toyota or other. And also, Mr. Champion in the back right here, who is getting one himself. He was gracious enough to allow me to put him in the video. I really do appreciate that as well.
My pleasure.
Check out my other two channels, RobMotive FST, which is all about my 2021 and soon to be coming 2022 Toyota Tundra, and RobMotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Oh, sweet.